Edinburgh is a historic city which runs on the commitment of its public services, especially the waste teams who keep the city moving. At JHM Boat, we're proud to support that work by equipping the workshops that keep their fleet on the road. 2022 bin strikes showed just how vital these workers are. Within hours, the city felt the impact, waste piling up, streets changing fast. It was a clear reminder, without these teams, everything stops.
I'm the 4x4 shift manager for the waste and cleansing team here down at Seafield. We run the communal bins throughout the city. I manage approximately 40 members of staff. We lift the landfill bins, we lift the recycling bins, and just a number of things throughout the city.
Basically, what we do here is very necessary. Never Better came out when we were on strike a couple of years back, and we had to come back to it and we had to clear it, and we felt like we really are needed. But at the same time, the public expressed their gratitude for it. So we start at 6, we get paperwork, keys. You know, as drivers, we do our daily vehicle check in the morning. Once we're ready to go, we just head out. I do love my truck clean inside and out. And even though we're picking up waste, but this is a new truck, and you know, I'm proud of driving it, and it's a good-looking truck.
We used to wash out the actual back ends. That had to go someplace else as well, and that was a private company. So every single vehicle was getting that done every month type thing, at a cost. So it makes a massive difference having that there.
It's very effective. I've heard horror stories other places, not specifically the council, that the driver is afraid to take the truck in for repair. He would be approached in a very unfriendly way. I feel like I'm being appreciated being taken the truck in, and Istvan, thank you very much for bringing it in. It's at the stage where it's still easy to repair. And it's like, it's magic. Yeah. It's magic. So in that terms, it is massive improvement. Yes.